Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. It's not important. It's not important. It's not important. I'm going out. I am going out. I'm going out. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I am sorry to keep you waiting. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. What's the matter? What is the matter? What's the matter? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? What's going on? What is going on? What's going on? I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. I'm exhausted. Could I have your attention, please? Could I have your attention, please? Could I have your attention, please? One moment, please. One moment, please. One moment, please. Where did you learn your English? Where did you learn your English? Where did you learn your English? Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye, my friends.